Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you can't hear from the excitement from my voice, I am going to be unboxing my new budget planner from Erin Condren. So this is the deluxe monthly planner, and I just thought, you know, why not do an unboxing? If you guys have followed me for a while now, you know that in the beginning of the year I started budgeting in the Happy Planner. However, I thought that the Happy Planner had too much like structure to it and it wasn't allowing me the flexibility that I need. So I thought, why not try out the new deluxe monthly planner from Erin Condren? And yeah, let's open up. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing that you see in here is the enjoy, like gift tag, or whatever you are, be a good one, postcard. And then what is this? Oh yeah, they're like little gift card or gift labels. So that's pretty cool. And then open up. This is so exciting. It's in pink. It's my favorite color. Okay. So I bought these double flag stickers. I thought these are really cute. They're only $2, so I thought, why not get it? And then here is my budget planner. So this is what it looks like, and I got the neutral deluxe planner. This is just like that flower design, and originally it was like yellow or something, but I decided to get it in white because I thought it would go really well with the silver coil and like the neutral. This isn't neutral. That is a neutral. Okay, I love it so far. That sucks. I will get back to you guys on this. Okay guys, so we're back at it again with trial number 2. I just got this in the mail. So, okay, we're gonna open it up again. So what I did was send back the inside of the planner. And let's see. Oops. Already ruining the packaging. Okay. Yeah! Okay, so here it is. The neutral deluxe monthly planner. And open this up. Okay, so here it is, the deluxe monthly planner in neutral. And I'm just gonna put this on. Okay, finally. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Literally been waiting like 3 weeks for this, but it's okay. It is well worth it. So this is the neutral deluxe monthly planner, and honestly I haven't seen a lot of YouTubers that use a neutral layout, but I thought I'd do something different, you know? It looks so clean, and oh yeah, this is awesome. Can you hear the excitement in my voice? Like, yeah. October's like a peach color, November is a blue, December's like a lime green, January's like, what, a teal or aqua color, February's pink, of course, March is mint, April is a purple, May is like a light peach color, and June is a green. Yeah, in the back. Oh my gosh, guys, you have no idea how excited I am. And I just have 40 pages in the back here. I didn't want to get too many pages back there because I honestly don't know what I'll be using these pages for just yet. But oh cool, cute. Yeah, so in the next couple of days here, I'm gonna basically be going on a budget setup kick. So I'll be setting up like sinking funds, my yearly overview, what I'm doing in the back for the note pages. So be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified, obviously, for when I upload those budget setup videos. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this. Please give it a like, subscribe. Shameless self-promotion here. So yeah, all right, bye guys.